Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y11s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the photo size option, so when we tap on this we can manage the ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 ratio. Now let's change this to the full one and let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, this is the full aspect ratio, so the background has changed. Now let's go back to these settings in the right corner and to the photo size. Here we can also pick 16 and 9, and in the camera preview, as you can see, this is how it looks like. When we go back to the settings in the right corner to the photo size, we can also pick 1 and 1. So in the camera preview it looks like that, the square one. And of course when we want to go back to the original 4:3, we can easily tap on this in the right corner once again, pick the photo size and change this here. So to remind you, this is how it looks like, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.